Ladies, pleasant evening to each one of you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very, very thankful to our Lord Jesus Christ that the debut of our Mr. Virgin, my daughter, is very successful. And thank you very much for the visitors, especially in Summer Hills. Ate Nora Villarama, President, and former President, Honorable Ray Amper, and the company. And thank you very much also to Peace for Me, and to my brother-in-law in Paranaque, and the classmates of our Mr. Virgin in high school and FAU, and all visitors. Thank you very, very much for attending the special moments of my daughter. And thank you also to all my brothers and sisters and to all my relatives ng Norma Respicia and Ima Gabaw at iba pa. And especially also to somewhere else there. And I'm very thankful to my husband. Meron siya piling yun. And also thank you very, very much to all my daughter and my sons. Thank you very much to all of you.
Hi sa inyo lahat. Thank you sa pagpunta. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito kadami pupunta. And sa mga classmates ko, high school, tsaka college, thank you talaga, hindi ako binito. Tsaka dun sa mga kapitbahay namin, tsaka sa mga relatives, thank you din kasi kahit alam kong malayo yung pinanggalingan ng iba, nag-effort pa din mga punta dito. Tsaka sayang nga kasi wala yung dati ko ngayon kasi nasa bar ko pa siya, hindi siya na-okay. Kahit nawala siya, at least successful yun din. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa family ko na thank you sa lahat. As in sa lahat ng support. Tapos yung mga, kahit na minsan pinapagalitan niyo ako, aminado naman ako, at least, natututo naman din ako. Saka, alam ko naman na disiplina niyo yung sa akin. I love you so much. Thank you. Basta thank you sa inyo lahat na pumunta. Sana nag-enjoy ka.